How to add an about me in Discord. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is simply go to the settings, then go to user profile. I first have to disable streamer mode real quick. Then go to user profile, and here you can see about me. So here you can type in anything you want. So you can just say something like, how is everyone today? You can also see a preview here. You can also change the color and such if you want to like any color. And yeah, once you've done that, you can just save the changes and go back. And if I would click on my profile, like right here, then you can see the about me. Yeah, just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. Also next time, have a good day.